Hello, this is Daniel. Welcome back to my channel, Daniel Huang Trades. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the Dow Jones Index. Okay, so let's see how Dow Jones Index will be moving on for the next few days or weeks coming on. So for this analysis, I'll be using the Dow Jones Index futures, the US Wall Street 30, as you can see here. Okay, I'll be on the 4-hour chart, so you can actually use your own trading view to have a look also. Okay, so I might post also on my trading view analysis, so you can also check out the link in my profile under there. Okay, so also remember to subscribe to my channel, Daniel Huang Trades, and also like this video. Okay, so let's get on to my analysis. Okay, let's see. So for the Dow Jones, okay, Dow Jones actually consists mostly of industrial companies, so it's more industrial weighted index. So you want to see how well the industrials are going to do, then you look at the Dow Jones. So we still see right now is still a bear, is a bear market. It has actually been in a bear market for a long time already. Yep, it's just that only the media has just announced it's in a bear market because it's just crossed some kind of death cross, or is under a certain moving average, then it's considered a bear market, or it has crossed about a percentage of the from the top, probably is 10% or what. Okay, usually they say 20% is a crash. All right, so let's have a look. So we got the top market was very bullish. Of course, everyone was happy. Down, dip below, everyone bought the dip again, went up. Okay, down again, very reliable. Okay, bought the dip again. Okay, went to a new all-time high. Okay, this was extremely happy for every investors also. Okay, then it dropped. Okay, there's a deep buy here. Okay, where every investor or gambler will say buy the dip. It's a good time to buy the dip. Okay, went up. Okay, got too bad it went down even further. Okay, this is where a lot of them started to panic. Okay, then it has another bounce. Okay, let's zoom in. It has another bounce over here. Okay, then it went up. So again, investors will say, oh, it's a good time to buy the dip again. But it doesn't seem to be a good buy as it dropped past here. Okay, so again here we have another support. Okay, so every time the market drops, there is a strong support. Okay, but however, if you see, right, it doesn't seem to be a buy. It's actually some kind of like short covering after a long short. So actually the hedge funds are actually covering their positions for coming news. All right, so it went up again. Okay, consolidated. Okay, we'll just draw something here. Okay, consolidated here. You can see this consolidating, hit the resistance, goes back down again. Okay, hit the support, goes back up. Okay, we hit the resistance. So what's next? Okay, so from what we see here, it seems like the market will still go down. They are still probably waiting for some news, especially on the announcement whether the US will raise interest rates by how much. Okay, so it's still a bit shaky here. So it is not a buy indication. All right. Okay, we can see here there's support on my support line. Okay, then it resisted here. There's a resistance. Okay, and just nice, hit the EMA and also hit the resistance line here. Okay, support and resistance. All right, so it went down. So for this week, what should we expect? All right, so for here, this orange line is my volume resistance or support. Is based on the number of transactions here, so it seems like this is resistance for now. Okay, let's draw an arrow here. Okay, this is a resistance. Let's zoom in more. All right, okay, so what is next? So I would suppose it will continue go down. Okay, hit this support again. Okay, then what comes next, I am not so sure because it's more news based already. So there are several scenarios that I could think of. One, it will break through and hit here 31,000. Okay, so I guess the target, the final target that those short sellers will be expecting is to go back to 30,000. This was actually a very important resistance level previously. Okay, so we can see, we zoom out. Okay, so why was it important? Because of the COVID. Okay, so we see here, okay, there's a COVID, okay, when then it collapsed, crashed. So let's see where the last high before the pre-COVID levels are. Okay, okay, the pre-COVID levels is around 29,500. Okay, so it's very close to this area. So this area will be the key point. Will be the key point of the next support. Okay, if it breaks this support, right, then of course I don't know how far it will go. Okay, so that is the worst case scenario for this market. Okay, so let's say it's a good news. Okay, the Fed raised interest rate lower than expected. Okay, then that will give a boost to the markets. Okay, so you'll go back up here. Okay, so this might be only temporarily, as it is still a bear market. I really doubt it will turn into a bull market. There is a point. I would expect that the market will expect to go to 30,000 first. Okay, before any bounce is there. So 30,000, important point before. If it's a bounce, then the bull market should be back. All right, so this is an important line that we should look out for. Okay, so let's just do a short-term projection. So if it falls, will it fall until about here 32,350. Okay, the next point will be 31,600. Okay, which is around here. This price 31,000. Around 31,000. All right, so that's all for my analysis. Okay, so do remember, trade safe, invest safe. Okay, and see you again in the next analysis. Okay, so remember to like, subscribe to my video and channel. All right, thank you, see you again, bye bye.